Hi, this is videos to talk about a free mock test for Maharashtra CET BBA BMS. Also free one-to-one career counseling for 12th standard students. So anyone who is interested, who has given student a 12th standard examination, can feel free to contact us and we'll accordingly guide you all as such. We basically are a class which is expert in management entrance preparation, which includes BBA, IPM, also post-graduation for CAT, etc. Now here we are having that Maharashtra CET BBA BMS mock test, which is happening on 15th of March. Plus you will have career guidance, individual one-to-one. I mean you can register and come. The address is given to you. Our website is patrick100.com. Now the Maharashtra BBA BMS CET is basically admission to Maharashtra BBA BMS course. Now BMS and BBA course is basically the most sought after course for management students. People who want to do management or MBA in the future, BBA BMS becomes the most important course as such. It's a good course. Almost all the top colleges in Bombay do have this BBA BMS course. So the colleges which include in this include Narsi Monji, R.A. Poddar, Jai Hind, Hinduja, MCC. If you look at all the top colleges which are there, will be part of this particular examination. So if you want admission to the BMS course or BBA course, you have to write this examination as per the government rules which are there. So you want to register session on 15th of January at Thane. The address give it to you out here, Patrick 100 305. And for registration, you can contact 9821314788 or 7715846600. You can WhatsApp us and we will register you for the session and we'll send you details regarding the timing, etc. for the seminar. Hope this helps. Thank you.